In this video, I will be showing you how I cook Jamaican oxtail. So this oxtail is traditional cooking in Jamaica. Fantastic, delicious. You don't want to stop eating this oxtail with rice and beans. So let's dive into how I prepare this. So this is the oxtail. Yes, so this is 7 pounds of oxtail, and I am going to season. In this bottle, I have blended seasoned garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, pimento, and pepper. So this Maggi all-purpose, and this is some cayenne pepper. This is some jerk season that I brought up from Jamaica, and that's all I need. I have the blended natural grown seasoning, so I'm still gonna add a little bit of pimento seed here. This is cayenne pepper to give it a little flavor. I don't want it to be too spicy, but it must have a little toops of pepper. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in now with 1 tablespoon of this Jamaican jerk season and 1 tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose. Then I'm going to go in with some of the blended seasoning. And as I said before, what in this? Scallion, thyme, garlic, onion, and pepper, pimento. So I'm going to add some browning, not a lot, to catch the color, right? Not adding a lot to it. So now I put my gloves on and I'm going to make sure that all the meat gets seasoning so it can marinate. And then I'm just going to transfer it into a container. And then I'm going to put this in the refrigerator until tomorrow. But I have to make sure I rub it up nicely. So you see, I don't put a lot of browning for it to look dark. So this is the day after seasoning. So I remove this from the refrigerator like an hour before I cook it and let it kind of thaw. And now the pot is hot and I'm going to pour it here with no oil. The oxtail already have oil in it, and what I did is put some extra garlic. So those white thing, I added like an extra 5 peg of garlics to this. So I'm going to cover this up and let it steam. It's on high. So it spring the water. This is like 10 minutes in. It springs some water. The fire is on high. And then I'm going to let it stay on high for another 10 minutes. Cover it up. And I check back on it and the water basically dried down. So what I'm going to do now is turn the stove down on low and let it stay there until it catch extreme brown color. There you go. There is no water in here, so now I'm going to add some water and cover it up and let it half cook. So I had a little water, like 1 cup, not a lot, and then it's boiled down to this again. Put back the fire on medium and let it stay on medium. So I'm going to add a little more water here, cover it up. Right, so I cover it up, add it. This oxtail take like 2 hours to cook. So it's between low and medium right now. No more high fire on this. So when it's getting, the water is going down, I put it on low and I add little water here and there until it's cooked. I'm gonna add some carrot to it next. Remember, the oxtail take like 2 hours to cook. I don't use pressure cooker. So I let it stay on low, between low and medium, and cook. I'm going to add some beans So yes, remember it takes like 2 hours, and it's finished right now because the bean is cooked. It's canned bean, and it's basically finished. Within 3 minutes, I'm gonna turn this off. This is basically the final finishing of the oxtail, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I love it with rice. So this is the rice that I am cooking on the side to have with this oxtail, and I also do some chicken too, but I will show you that in a next video. So let me ask you, did you enjoy that? So I ate, I full my belly, and it feels really good. You know, cooking oxtail like that, I have never cooked oxtail when I was living in Jamaica. My grandmother never cooked that meat because it was very expensive. And then when I grew up to be a woman and was cooking in my own home, I couldn't afford it. It was very expensive. So to see me cooking it now, it's amazing. Oxtail is not something that I eat very often, but I love it with rice and peas. And I enjoy it more with rice and peas. So if you like the video, remember to hit that like button, and you could drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you'd want me to cook next. And thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. God bless. My belly is so full, guys. So full. So I'll see you in the next one. Okay? Remember, what do you want me to cook next? I'm thinking that maybe I should try and cook like a little bit of African food, a little bit of Guyanese food, different culture. Yeah, I heard Asian food is good too, so I maybe look it up and just try to cook it my way and see how it turns out. But I think I'm gonna try change up. Instead of always cooking Jamaican, I'm gonna change it up a little bit and start cooking different culture. Tell me what you think in the comment section. If you reached this far in the video, let me know. Okay? Adios, guys. Mwah.